Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. Hope you all are doing well. Okay. Tell me, children, which lesson are you studying now? Yes, subtraction up to 10. Did you understand about the concept of subtraction? Subtraction means take away. Instead of using take away, we can use one symbol. Did you remember the symbol of subtraction? Yes, it is called minus. Okay. Then tell me, children, what did you learn in the last class? Yes, we have learned vertical subtraction in the last class. How do you subtract numbers vertically? First, we have to write the numbers one below the other. Then, we can subtract numbers by drawing lines and crossing out. Did you practice it from your home? Okay. Children, remember one thing. You should subtract smaller number from larger number. Otherwise, we can't subtract. Okay. So, don't forget this. Today, we will learn subtraction on the number line. Are you ready? Okay. Tell me, children, what is a number line? Yes, a line with numbers in equal distance is called number line. We have learned the addition on number line in the last chapter. Did you remember that? Okay. Today we are going to learn how to subtract numbers using the number line. So children, let us understand this with examples. Let us solve one question. This is our question. 7 minus 2 is equal to dash. We have to find out the answer by using this number line. In the last chapter, we will learn how to add numbers using this number line. Did you remember that? Okay. For finding the answers in a number line, we have to draw gems. Did you remember the gems? Yes. We make one gem for every count. In addition, we draw gems in forward direction. But in the case of subtraction, we have to draw gems in backward direction. So children, listen. Our question 7 minus 2. So first we start from the number 7. Then we have to subtract 2 from 7. So we have to draw 2 gems in the backward direction. That is 1, 2. We are landing on the number 5, which means the answer will be 5. We can write the answer here. What we have done here? We have started from 7 and we have to subtract 2 from 7. So, we draw 2 gems in the backward direction and we are landing on the number 5. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Is it clear? Okay. Let us listen one more example. Here our question 9 minus 5 is equal to dash. Then tell me children, from which number will we start? Yes, from 9 we can start. Then how many gems will we need? We need 5 gems because we have to subtract 5 from 9. Let us start, which means we have to draw 5 gems from 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are reaching on the number 4. That means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. That is, we can write the answer here. That is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So children, remember one thing. In subtraction, you have to draw gems in backward direction. We know in addition, you can draw the gems in forward direction. In the case of subtraction, we can draw the gems in backward direction. Is it clear? Okay. Children, you can see one question here. 8 minus 2 is equal to dash. How can you solve this problem using this number line? We learned this. That is, first we have to start from the number 8. Then you have to draw two gems in the backward direction, because here our operation is subtraction and we have to subtract 2 from 8. That's why I told you have to draw two gems from 8 in the backward direction. So children, let us solve this problem. Here you can see a number line. Our question 8 minus 2. So we will start from the number 8 and we have to draw two gems because we have to subtract 2 from 8. So we draw the gems in backward direction. Then we reach at 6. So we can say that 6 will be the answer. That is 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So children, I hope you have understood how to subtract numbers on the number line. Children, I attached the notes of lesson under this video. You have to download the notes and copy down to your notebook. And you have to do the exercise in your textbook. That is exercise number 4. Will you do the exercise? Okay. So children, see you in the next class. Till then, bye.